I love that you guys are interested in the theory too. That makes me happy. It's not just plugging and chugging numbers. It's also wanting to know why things work. All right, here we go. Still a one prop Z test. Let's put our new values in. We got a new null of 0.197. 22 of us out of 28. Couldn't find it. I think we have the same sign, yes? Greater than. We're still doing greater than. So just the question now is how much p? How much p-value we're going to get? Let's find out. Let's find out how much p-value we're going to get. Oh, hell yeah! That answers our question. You're like, what is he getting so excited about?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. I didn't know. I didn't know how big the margin was going to be with a sample size of 28. I thought it was going to be wicked wide. It's not wicked wide enough. Okay, so anyway, let's let Blake's like, what the hell are you talking about? Why is it wicked wide? 80s boy, stop it. So let's just finish. Let's just finish. What is your test statistic? 7.8. Z, 7.8. I want you to put two more words after that again. 7.8 what? Standard deviations away from average. Holy crap. Yeah, exactly right. Holy crap is right. So, there's your null curve. This curve right here, friends. I'm going to do something here. This might drive the point home a little better. Let's see if this works. That's the same curve, yes? Your TI draws your null curve for you. The same curve you draw, it draws. This is why it's kind of nice to see you draw it too. So the question I have for you guys is, where did we just land on it? I mean, we are on it, right? But so here's one. Let me just do this. So here's 0, 19.7%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.8. We're over there. Now, we might be on that curve, correct? There's a chance that we're on that curve. What is the chance that we're on that curve according to our machines? 0. That's the p-value. See that p-value right there? 0? That's the chance that your data belongs on that curve. That's the chance. Your data which had 75%, remember this is 19.7%, you guys were at 75%-ish. That's the chance 75% belongs on the curve that's centered at 20%. Everybody see where we get the 75% from? I'm not even sure how accurate that is. Is that even close to what the percentage is? 79. We'll go with that. Thank you, Shelby. That is a chance. Of course, there's always a chance, and it goes from 0 to 100, right? So there's a chance. It's just not a good one. So in other words, the conclusion we have right now is what? Do we say, ah, to hell with it, I still think it's 20%? Is that what we're going to say? No, we're going to say what? It appears that... What has happened? If this is a good random sample, what does it appear that's happened?
The percentage of those who can't find a rack has gone way up.
The percentage, good, I like the word way. It appears that the percentage of those who can't find a rack has increased significantly, statistically significantly.
How about incredibly statistic?
Incredibly statistic. It's gone right to ludicrous speed. Silly. Silly. It's got to be a new curve, right? It's got to be a new curve. There's got to be another bell curve over there. Of course, Blake says, there doesn't have to be a bell curve. Because what could this have been?
False positive.
This could have been a false positive. What kind of error could we make with this conclusion? Definitely a type 1. Are you starting to see the pattern in what kind of error you can make based on your p-value? That's okay, Mikey. See, it makes it more fun when it's in motion. Are you beginning to see the pattern of what kind of error you can make based on your p-value? When you get tiny p-values, I say tiny, I mean less than 5%, let's leave that out there. What kind of error could you make always? A type 1, because what does a less than 5% p-value mean? What kind of a test result? Something's changed. It's a good. I heard 3 different explanations for it, all 3 of which correct. Something's changed. Positive test result. Possible outlier. Huh? All of them are correct. Everyone's correct. You see? This is why I made a comment earlier today about how we can feel kind of confused about the way things are going in this. But I start to also feel momentum building as we do more of these because you guys start to see the point It's like the greatest hits of 243 and 244 in one place. If you like listening to 243 and 244. Fair? What's the chance of the error? What's always the chance of a type 1 error? 5%. What's the chance of a type 2 error? Good answer. You don't know. We're going to analyze that sooner than later. We're going to analyze how to actually measure what's called type 2 error and balance and power balance. Good. That's probably a good place to stop for the day, yeah? I'm thinking. I was going to go to t-testing today. That was going to be want to do it, Emily, because you brought up t, but I don't want to do it. Go home, try the quizzes for next week while this is fresh in your mind, yes? The quizzes for next week. One of them is the next in line for these. I'll have more. Should I put up a second one?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do that. I'll do that when I get back. Actually, I'll try to do it now. We'll leave early. I'll run to the office. I'll post a second quiz for next week. So at least, if you need them, take 2 more templates if you want to knock those quizzes out. If you want to, also grab a map of Iraq. Test your friends, test your neighbors, test your family. Test the family dog. Have him put his paw on the map. See if it has Iraq.